Food for Life is brought to you by stinkwater.com.
Hello YouTubers, and welcome to my channel called Food for Life. This is my very first video in a series of videos that I hope will educate you and even inspire you to pull food and grow food right from your own backyard. Behind me you'll see a greenhouse that I had built little by little. It's about 1,250 square feet. I did it with posts and plastic, and anyone can do it. So some of the first shows will show you how to really build your own greenhouse, and then how to stock it with some of the most productive plants and vegetables and fruit trees that you can find. Along the way, during the course of the year, I'll also show you how to really build your own beehives and pull honey from those hives so that you have pollinators. If you look right behind me, you'll see there's some hives right there, and they are very productive. The one right here, the first one right there, was one that I first installed. The one in the middle is one that I actually pulled right from a tree. There was a swarm of bees out there, and the queen was doing her thing, and there must have been 5,000 bees up in the tree. So I grabbed my ladder, got a paper bag, put my bee suit on, and bam, got another beehive. So that's really helping to pollinate the vegetables, and it's pollinating a lot of the fruit trees as well. Again, behind me you'll see I put in a grape vine vineyard right there. It's struggling right now in Florida because a lot of the grapes outside of the muscadine grapes tend to be a little bit prone to viruses and disease, so I'm milking those along. And then over time I'm going to show you how to do container gardening with the least amount of effort possible. I'll show you how that even if you had a 12 square foot porch on the back of a high-rise apartment, you'll be able to grow vegetables and have fun doing it. You know, with the changes that we're seeing around the world, with cancer running rampant and people becoming so obese they can't even move, I thought, again, we can inspire some people to get on the right track. My wife and I actually have lost a combination of over 63 pounds together by simply reducing the amount of intake of carbs, eliminating sugars and processed foods, and we are not starving, believe me. We're actually eating more than we've ever eaten before, and we're able to, again, share that with people so that we might even be able to save some lives in the process. The only thing that I ask, and this is a pretty simple thing, is if you like the content that you're seeing on this channel right now, just simply like it, share it, and subscribe, because I'm a big believer in passing it forward. If you can take this information and, again, help someone become healthier, or help someone lose weight, or help someone lower their blood sugars and move out of type 2 diabetes and those who are pre-diabetic, this is something that could really help them. The other big thing is savings. We went to Whole Foods Market last night just to compare some of the things that we're growing in our greenhouse to what is being sold in the marketplace. And we just cannot believe the prices that we're seeing. This savings that you'll be able to make right here can be applied to maybe some investments in the stock market, where you could go to my other channel and learn how to make money trading options. Again, don't go crazy and start trading the market without learning about how to do that and also learning about the risk. But with gardening, there's very little risk and very much upside potential there. In fact, what we do is we experiment. If a crop doesn't work out, what we'll do is we'll just eliminate that crop and go for something that's even better. Our latest crop is going to be the Malabar spinach. It's the red leaf spinach that we're planting this weekend. And we will be able to show you the step-by-steps on how to do that, and also show you the growth and the product that we're pulling right out of our own ground. So stick with us. Again, like, subscribe, and share, and just pass it forward so you too have food for life.